You guys, I am so addicted to these batik style gel prints inspired by batik fabrics. They are gorgeous. I've done a lot of lives on this, but decided to create a full comprehensive tutorial, and it's now available on Creative Fabrica, and the link is in my description box if you want to find out how to take the class. And here is the scoop. Hi everybody, I can't wait to show you how to create these beautiful batik inspired gel prints. If you've never tried this technique, it's so fun. I'm going to go over all of the tools that you need, which aren't very many. Probably a lot of these you already have in your art stash. A gel plate, paint, and stencils, and some rice paper is really all that you need to create these gorgeous, gorgeous prints. Look at how rich they are. I love these prints. I'm going to show you a couple of different techniques, one for creating a black outline and doing some layering to get some really rich and gorgeous gel prints. Aren't they pretty? Look at how gorgeous. I love these techniques because you can use these in collage, mixed media paintings. You can use them for card making. They're just so pretty and so easy to create. And it's a really, really fun class we're going to do together. So why don't you join me for this gel printing class, batik style. And I can't wait to show you. Please add me to your Creative Fabrica favorites so I can keep in touch with you for all of the art classes. And as always, I can't wait to make more art videos just for you. See you there, guys.